If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Wells Fargo, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wells Fargo online banking account or mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, locate the Accounts section. Click on the account where the pending transaction is listed to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Scroll through your transaction history to find a pending transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. Look for options related to managing or canceling the transaction. Step 5. Follow cancellation instructions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you follow these steps, you should be able to cancel a pending transaction effectively. Always check with customer service if you encounter any issues.